Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about an important truth in life. You have to take a risk if you want to succeed. Many people dream about success. They want to be a successful students, professional, entrepreneurs, or leaders. However, not everyone is willing to take risk. Most people prefer to stay in their comfort zone because it feels safe. But the reality is, success never comes from comfort. First, let us understand what risk means. Taking a risk does not mean doing something dangerous or irresponsible. It means having the courage to try something new, even when the result is uncertain. It means being brave enough to fail, learn, and try again. Think about successful people around the world, entrepreneurs, risk their time and money to start a business. Athletes risk failure and criticism to chase their dreams. Even students take risk when they raise their hands to speak, try something difficult, or step outside their comfort zone. Without risk, success would not exist. One famous example is Thomas Edison. Before inventing the light bulb, he failed thousands of times. Every failure was a risk, but he did not stop. If he was afraid of falling, the world might be still living in darkness. His success was built on courage and risk taking. Is important because it helps us grow. When we take risk, we challenge ourselves. We learn new skills, gain experience, and discover our true potential. Even if we fail, we gain valuable lessons. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of the journey toward success. In our daily lives, we face many small risks. Trying a new subject, joining a competition, speaking in public, or chasing a dream career can feel scary. We may be afraid of making mistakes or being judged by others. But if we never try, we will never know what we are capable of. Of course, taking risk is not easy. Fear is natural. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, and fear of disappointment can stop us from moving forward. But courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is taking action even when we are afraid. Personally, I believe that regret is more painful than failure. Failing means you tried, regret means you never did. When we look back at our lives, we will not regret the risk we took, but the chance we never dared to take. In conclusion, success requires courage and risk. If you want to grow, you must be willing to step outside your comfort zone. If you want to achieve your dreams, you must accept the possibility of failure. Remember, every success story begins with a risk. So, do not be afraid to try. Take the risk. Learn from the outcome and keep moving forward. Because without risk, success is impossible. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.